Hello everybody. So I have to be polite every video I'm doing. So for those person who find my video without going through my website. So let me introduce myself for them. My name is Gilles Urtubise, and my scientific or self-taught and multidisciplinary scientist and inventor is Gilles Urtubise, and I am the owner and the founder of the first human multi-intelligence.com. Okay, so the title of this video is Spherical Gravitational Zone, or spherical gravitational environment of gravitational objects, part 1. In this case, this is the moon, so which this one it is forced to revolve in a prograde direction seen from above around the earth and inside its spherical gravitational environment. Because she is married gravitationally to earth, and also inside the large spherical gravitational environment of the sun, being gravitationally supported by its gravitational forces. But it is always the earth which controls the movement or the revolution of the moon around it because of their gravitational marriage. Okay, next paragraph. The moon also moves within the huge spherical gravitational environment of the supermassive black celestial sphere at the center of the Milky Way, but with a gravitational support which is less powerful than that of the sun. Next paragraph. The moon also moves within the spherical gravitational environment of the Great Attractor because the Great Attractor is a supermassive black celestial sphere, but with gravitational support that is less powerful than that of the supermassive black celestial sphere at the center of the Milky Way. Moreover, if there exists in the universe, for example, two other levels of gravitational power which are superior to that of the class of the supermassive black celestial sphere of the Great Attractor, and I think at least they have two other levels which is stronger, but maybe more than two. So, and if it's happened, if they have two other levels, this has the effect of producing the following additional effect on the moon, and that's for sure for the other two stronger level. Then, so number one, to cause to the moon to also move within another spherical gravitational environment of another supermassive black celestial sphere, which is one class higher in gravitational power than the supermassive black celestial sphere of the Great Attractor. And yes, the Great Attractor is not anomaly. It's a supermassive black celestial sphere. Then, okay, and which is one of those who are in the second class of the most massive and powerful black celestial sphere in the universe, but with gravitational support which is less powerful than that of the Great Attractor. Because, yes, why? Because the other supermassive, even if it's bigger, it is further than us. So that's and that's why and it's not direct. So that's why it's less powerful than that of the Great Attractor supermassive black celestial sphere. And two, to cause the the moon to also move within another spherical gravitational environment of another super black celestial sphere, who is the most massive and powerful in the universe, which is of a gravitational power, which is the most powerful and massive of all the black celestial sphere in the universe, and the only one that belongs to the class of the most powerful and massive gravitational object of all gravitational objects in the universe, but with still a gravitational support which is less powerful than that of the supermassive black celestial sphere of the second class of the most massive and powerful black celestial sphere of the universe. So of course it's yes, when you change of environment, which all of those environment are used to be connected together, but every time you go away from the moon, the support is less stronger. So this is normal then, and this is logic too. So that's enough for this video, and see you to the next.